Welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique, and if you are new here, make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this content, I find everything Canva. I go into details about new Canva tips and tricks, and also showing you some tips and tricks on how I create some of my graphics that I sell on my Etsy shop. So if you're looking for an easy and stylish way to create QR codes for your next project, whether you're designing flyers, business cards, or social media posts, QR codes are a game changer for connecting your audience to websites, videos, or contact information instantly. So you don't need to be a tech whiz to make them, and today I'm going to show you how to create custom QR codes using one of my favorite designs in Canva. It is quick, simple, and best of all, it is free to use. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so let's dive straight into it. This will be a pretty short video because it's oddly simple to use, but I guess a lot of people do not know how to access it through Canva. So what you do is, in any design, it could be a flyer. Right now I am using the traditional square post for Instagram. I go over to the left hand side and click on apps, and then from here in the search engine you want to click QR, and then you'll just select the first one that pops up, the QR code generator. And then I usually use this one. There are a few QR code generators that are accessible in Canva, but just for a simple, straightforward one that you can use on many different marketing items, I just go with this one. So then it's going to prompt you to enter your URL. So I'm just going to enter my URL to my Etsy shop and click generate code. And there you have it. And so this is a QR code that you can reuse time and time again. You can copy and paste it, like I said, to your business flyers, business cards, websites, what have you. But this is a simple and easy way to get free QR codes on your design. So if you found this helpful, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I have a whole bunch of other videos that share, again, a lot of tips and tricks about Canva. But if this is the content that you enjoy, make sure you go ahead and give this a thumbs up so I can keep making more. All right, y'all. So I hope you'll have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video.